Welcome back to my channel of Strong Funda. In today's video we are going to continue the series of deep thinking question, and I hope guys you are finding a bit interesting in solving these questions and finding a little bit challenging in finding the solution of this problem. So without wasting time, let's move on to our next question. And the question is saying rhombus has a parameter of 12 and one angle is 120. Find its area. Okay, the figure has been given and the option has been given. Okay, so what is rhombus? The first thing I just want to tell you what is rhombus. Let's say there is a square, and let's say if I want to tilt it by a certain angle, so this will become a rhombus. I mean to say, if one of the side, the perpendicular side, it has been tilted to any angle, so similarly other will be get tilted because both of them are parallel, so that will become an rhombus. And the property of rhombus is all of its four sides are equal as compared to the square, which is similar. And next thing is that the diagonals, they bisects. This is the first thing. And third thing is that they bisects as perpendicular. That's it. And also the thing is that the rhombus, since our four sides are parallel, so they also have the property of parallelogram. So one more thing, the adjacent angles are means one is x and one is y, they both would be having the sum of 180. Okay, so this is the properties, and I hope guys you find it. So I'll just want to explain these properties in the diagram. So if this is 120, so my adjacent would be this would be 60, and if this would be 60, this would be 120, and if this is 120, this would be 60, because this angle and this angle should be 180. Similarly, this angle and this angle should be 180. So what I can do is over here, and okay, one more thing, all of the perimeter is 12 and the side is 4. If I divide by 4, so the side is 3 3 3 and 3. Okay, now one more thing is that these diagonal will bisect their angle also. This is also the property. So if I draw a diagonal, so this angle will become 60 degree, this angle also becomes 60 degree, correct? Now if I draw a triangle, this is 60, this is 60, and this is 60, this is 3 and this is 3, and can you see all of these three angles are equal, so it will become equilateral triangle. So if it is equilateral triangle, so the property is that the all of three sides are also equal. Okay, now I have got the sides of a triangle, and I know this is an equilateral triangle, so I'm simply going to apply the formula of area of equilateral triangle, which is equal to root 3 by 4 side square. So if I apply root 3 by 4 into side is 3, square is equal to 9, so this would be 9 root 3 upon 4. Now this is the upper area, I need to find out this. So this would be the symmetrical, so this would be the twice of this area. So if I multiply it by 2, so my whole area of this rhombus is 9 by 2 root 3. Let's check it out if this is in the solution. Okay, yeah, we got the solution. So guys, there's nothing in this problem. The only thing is that the approach which you are using. So I hope you guys found this solution of this problem is quite interesting, and I request you please do like and subscribe to my channel and share this video to others so that other will be get benefit about this knowledge. Okay guys, bye. I will meet you in the next video soon.